An automated feeding system then starts working. A large blue machine mixes the dry feed and an automated feeding system then starts working. A large blue machine mixes the dry feed and
Body temperature is normal, doctor.
Good. Lock that and check the next sample.
In the 4/10 step, the cow hides are loaded into a large drum-style washing machine. Workers pour.
The rinsing looks complete here.
Maintain the pH at 8.5. Spread them evenly before the next cycle.
The temperature is stable now. We should increase the belt speed slightly.
Agreed. Monitoring the moisture levels closely.
Final visual check complete. They are flat and clean.
Ready for the main tanning drums.
Looks good. Temperature is holding steady.
Yeah, the moisture content is dropping right on schedule.
Step 19. Precision rinse and surface inspection for cow hides. In the 9/10 step,
Workers in yellow uniforms manually check every cowhide by hand, feeling the surface and testing the flexibility.
In this step, the cow leather is given its final professional finish. The hides move under a set of
Step 26. Sorting and grouping of cow hides. In the 26th step, the inspected cow...
The finish and thickness look good. We are good to pass this batch.
Confirmed. Quality metrics are green across the board.
Adjust the pressure to stabilize the brush head.
Speed is holding steady at 400 RPM.
African-American female workers in yellow uniforms collect the cut cow leather pieces. In the 51st step, cow leather piece is checked with a high-precision laser scanner.
In the 48th step, the finished cow leather hides pass through a last set of high-precision rollers.
In this step, the cow leather passes under a precision brushing system. A wide, rotating brush glides over the...
Each finished cow leather hide receives its official identification mark from a heavy stamping machine that presses...
In the 41st step, the smooth cow leather hides are passed through an embossing machine. Heavy steel rollers with
large rotating brush heads move across the surface of each cow hide, removing any dust or loose particles left from stamping and finishing.
In the 34th step, all leftover pieces of cow leather are collected and organized. Cutting machine.
Step 65. Laser engraving patterns on cow leather parts. In this step, in the 38th step, the cow leather receives a special blue color finish. as the hides move over the polishing rollers.
Stencil. In the 42nd step, the embossed cow leather hides pass through a final heat stabilizing unit.
Large red, 25 pieces.
Small black, 40 count. Looks good.
In the 77th step, each cow leather panel receives a final line of fine stitching along the outer edge.
In the 67th step, large colored cow leather panels are grouped into complete sets.
In this 56th step, the cut cow leather pieces are treated with the special coating, adding extra strength and durability.
Large red, 25 pieces.
Small black, 40 count. Looks good.
Step 65. Laser engraving patterns on cow leather parts. In this step,
In the 64th step, the cow leather sheets are cut into precise, complex shapes using.
In the 67th step, large colored cow leather panels are grouped into complete sets.
In the 77th step, each cow leather panel receives a final line of fine stitching along the outer edge.